Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build an AI assistant. Just imagine building an AI assistant that doesn't just chat. Okay, it actually does the work for you. Today we aren't just learning theory. We are building a production grade enterprise AI assistant from scratch. Okay. By the end of this video, you will have a bot that reads your private documents, sends emails on your behalf, and even logs business data directly into a corporate warehouse. Okay, and welcome back to the Google's Quantum Leap series. Let's build something real. Here, actually, what is this? What is this lab? The extended Gemini Enterprise Assistant. See, capabilities. The extended Gemini Enterprise capabilities. We are going to discuss this one. Okay, to acquire this, I already explained this project quantum. What is Google free skills, certifications, and all. Okay, very helpful skills for future Google products, projects, and all. Internal movements or freshers also they can put this as a uh, actionable project. Okay, very useful for freshers also. To acquire this badge, here 6.5 hours class is there. You can go through the class learning path. You can simply acquire. After that, also you have to complete the skill badge. Okay, so directly you can complete the skill badge lab. You can acquire this certification. Simply click on this skill badge like this. Here, skill badge, extended enterprise. Just click on this. Yeah, like this, the lab will open. What is this lab? The extended Gemini Enterprise Assistant Capability is designed to bridge the gap between basic chatbots and fully functional enterprise tools. It simulates a real world scenario where businesses need AI to be grounded in their own internal data rather than just public internet knowledge. The key learning outcomes are like connecting data. You learn to link a Gen AI app to private corporate data sources like Google Drive and Gmail, allowing the AI to answer questions based on internal policy documents or spreadsheets. Unlike standard bots, the assistant you built here can execute real-world tasks such as drafting and sending emails via Gmail actions. The workflows, it teaches you to extend Gemini's brain using conversational agents, the Dialogflow, okay, and cloud run functions to perform complex backend logic like writing customer feedback directly into a database. Here, actually, what app we are going to build, what application we are going to build, extended Gemini Enterprise Assistant capabilities. What is the application here? See, this is in this project, we are acting as cloud architects for Cymbal Shops, a fictional retail chain, modernizing its operations with AI. We are building a unified employee assistant app that serves as a central hub for staff. Okay, the app architecture is like a Gemini Enterprise web app acts as the chart interface where employees interact. The app is connected to specific Google Drive folders and Gemini like Gmail inboxes, main inboxes. So it knows everything about this symbols, internal reports and documentations. Okay, coming to actions, what are the actions it can perform after building this? Employees can say send a summary to my manager, and the app drops and sends the email securely. Okay, email automation call, that is called email automation. Also data entry, when staff provides store feedback, a custom tool triggers a cloud run Python script to log the data into a BigQuery warehouse for analysis. Okay, the safety net here, it uses Google search grounding to verify public facts, ensuring the AI doesn't hallucinate when asked about current events or trends. Okay, actually, in AI agents, so much of hallucination related problems are facing nowadays. And, recently, Salesforce laid off 4,000 employees, right? They 50% of like 50% of uh, promotion jobs like customer executive jobs were laid off because of the AI agents. After the layoffs, what happened? No, due to some AI relevant hallucination problems, wrong feedbacks, wrong sales data happened. Something happened internally in Salesforce. so they are facing some issue in hallucination also. But Google search will give some reliable answers and most updated versions AI agents. The Google search grounding to verify public facts, ensuring the AI doesn't hallucinate. Right, like that, they are taking care of that. The type of agents we are going to build here, the AI assistant we are going to build. Now let's start the lab. Okay, start the lab. Here, the lab, it will take 2 hours, but I will try to complete within 30 to 20 to 30 minutes. Lab, sorry, couldn't start lab. Please contact your trainer or administrator. Any grades or tokens used to start this lab has been refunded. Why? Okay, like this lab started. Uh, let's, according to instructions, I already wrote the instructions. Also, you can ask to Claude. Okay, Claude will give the instructions how to complete the lab. Okay, first of all, let's see. I asked the class to complete this lab, uh, but simply you can watch the video. We have to complete this task at least 80%. You have to get uh, marks to clear this lab. See, 80 or higher is required. Uh, Sometimes some type of
Yeah. uh, let's see, let's start the lab. 1 second. Yeah, here the first task is here. Cymbal Shops, a retail chain, trying to modernize with AI, right? I already told that business flow. Here the staff asks the assistant questions about documents like drive, Google Drive and Gmail, like that. Assistant can send emails for them via Gmail action tool is there, where we will build that. Store employees can give feedback, like assistant sends it to BigQuery through a cloud run service called a conversational agent. Here, let's see, let's build the task. Okay, here put some sample data in drive. We have to put some sample data in drive by opening that um, google cloud console. Here just right click and open the private browser. I will show you how to put sample data in drive. This enables the assistant to read the documents from the those two files. In real time scenario, we can use Excel files and Word files also. We can put in drive, and from the drive we can read the documents. Okay, so like this we have to click, okay, activate. Now here just cloud storage, click on cloud storage, search for cloud storage in Google Cloud console, and cloud storage you get. Now just click on buckets. Here the link is there, no project link. Yeah, here these two are there, no two links. Download the two links, two files. Those are two files. Okay, just download it and save in your folder. I already downloaded, that's why I'm not showing the folders. Okay, I am already downloaded. Now let's go to drive link is there, no just we have to put those two files into Google Drive link. Yeah, click on the Google Drive link. Yeah, here new, click on new. Now file upload folders are there, no the files we downloaded, right? Those two folders, just yeah, select this. Remaining are my files, my personal files. These two, select those files. See, updated. Okay, just click on my drive. See, updated. Now let's go to instructions. Okay, what we have to do now? Yeah, see, yeah, updated. Now check progress. We have to get 80 marks now to pass this lab. Now let's see second task. Okay, Second task, what is the second task here? As per the second task, the identity plus data stores plus Gemini app, nothing but configure a Gemini Enterprise identity provider. What is this? The identity provider decides who the assistant is allowed to act as. Okay, that is the main purpose. What is the purpose? The Google identity decides who the assistant is allowed to act as. What is the assistant is doing? Assistant how to act, like that. So now go to Google Cloud Console and click on AI applications. Here just click on that, activate the API. Okay, AI applications. Before creating any application, you have to activate the API. This is the process to activate the API to interact with the applications. Okay, now here we can create data stores. We can create data stores and apps. Okay, the data stores like connect Drive and Gmail into app. Okay, here we can connect our Gmail and email, Google Drive and email to the app. Here you can create just data store. What is the data store? Google Drive, right? Google Drive. Now continue. Here you have to give the name Google Drive. What is that? That symbol Google Drive. You have to copy this and paste here. That's it, and simply continue. That's it. And here pricing, no need to do anything, just create, because this is a lab. No pricing, simply now created for Google Drive. Now you have to create for Gmail. Now Gmail, create Gmail. This ID and secret ID is later we can provide later after completion of authorization. Okay, let's skip for now. Later we will give those two things, no worries, because authorization we did not create it at OAuth. That's why we are now creating. Skip now. Now we are creating Gmail data store. Okay, symbol Gmail data store we are creating. Let's go to here, create it, paste it, create it. So now two data stores we created. Now we have to create app. What is that? Gemini Enterprise app. Gemini Enterprise app is this is the front end application we are designing, where employees can chat this app. Okay, now creating the app. Just it's an enterprise app. Click on that, and here that paste the name what we copied. Here is the company name. We have to give symbol name. We have to give, paste it. That's it. App was created. After this, we have to connect the data stores to the app, right? Here configure the web. Later we will configure, no worries, but we have to connect the data stores to the application. Here just connect the stores, like this. We have to click existed databases. We have to click two options available now. There, see, data stores connected, like this. Okay, now connected. Let's check the progress. See, 10 marks got. Okay, progress completed. Tick mark got. Progress completed. Now let's create the auth consent. Auth consent, nothing but what is this for? Auth consent screen. Users must approve. Gemini can send email as me, like that anamata. Okay, important for security and audit. Okay, the Gmail action option will be available. Instead of copying text, user can say simply send an email to my manager with insights, and Gemini drops and sends via mail. This is the authorization consent we are giving. Okay, we are giving our consent, our approval to the application to send mails automatically. That action, Gmail action, we are giving some action content here. The create an auth consent screen and configure the Gmail action, right? Let's go to here, auth, check Google Auth. Click on that. here we have to start get started. Click on that get started. We have to click on that. Okay, these are the options available, but here you have to click on get started. Here see this option, app information. Here you have to create. What is the name? The name, as per the name, Cymbal Shops and Gemini Enterprise name you have to give here. Okay, let's see. This email ID you can give, default email ID as per the instructions you can give. Okay, now next, click on next. Here this is internal projects, so simply give the internal within the organization. Now same mail, copy it and click next and finish. Continue and create. That's it. App, our consent we given. Okay, now here create auth client. Here client to interact with the Gmail action. Here we are creating our client, that is web application. Okay, here the web client. Here check here redirect URL you will get here. Just click on the document, the URL, this URL you have to take this to give in that. Here see, sorry, actually not here, so many people give here itself the URL, but URL you have to give authorized direct URL, there you have to give. Okay, but before that just give the web application name. Yeah, here just give the application name. Now URL, here URL you have to give that from the document. Here this URL you have to give. That's it, simply. Yeah, that's it. Create it. Authorization also we provided. You have to copy paste somewhere, this paste in the text file somewhere else. It will be helpful to configure with the Gmail action. The client ID and client secret is important. Just click here. Okay, paste in somewhere, paste somewhere in the text file somewhere. Later it will be helpful, it will be useful. Okay, if you don't paste also, no worries. Again you have to come to this authorization page and you can get. Now you have to give the, you have to configure the Gmail in the, just copy one more tab, open, just open one more tab. Now here just go to AI applications. Yeah, here go to data stores. Here you have to give the client ID and client secret ID for Gmail, Google Mail. Here see add actions, enable actions. Click on enable actions. The actions we have to enable like this. Actually here create action should be available. Previously the Google environment is like create option is available, but here there is no create option. Here simply enable option is there. So simply click on the enable actions. Instead of create action, enable action feature is replaced. So now click on the second one. Now here according to the instructions we can't change the name of the action because the interface little bit changed, updated, but instructions did not updated. Google people, Google Cloud Skills instructions not updated. That's why we are unable to create the action name, but we created the action, but we cannot create the action name. That's why here this for this it will assign 15 marks, but see symbol action name we have to create for the action Google email action, but we are unable to give the name it the action. So that's why for this automatically we will get only 10 marks only for out of 15. Okay, unable, there is no option to rename it, right? There is no option to rename it, but it was enabled, action was enabled only. See if you create now, it won't update. See 15 marks are there now for the task, third task. For we will get 10 marks only because the 5 marks are for naming. See, 10 marks acquired. With 10 marks acquired, the 5 names are for naming, exact naming. There is no naming, unable to change, but it is fine, no problem. Action is important, name is not important to us. Okay, for lab, to complete the lab, 80 marks is important. Not if you complete remaining tasks, the 80 marks we will get, no worries. Okay, let's go to task 4. Task 4 is that BigQuery. BigQuery is the data warehouse for structured feedback. That feedback, okay, in organizations this becomes analytics, which stores get most complaints, and which topics repeat, like that. Some type of, it's a warehouse we are creating, the big data query we are going to create. Here we can track the feedbacks of the customers and employees feedback, customers feedback, everything you can track. Now go to Google Cloud Console. Here click on that BigQuery simply. Yeah, no need to click, no need to search, just simply click on the Cloud Console. Cloud Shell is there, no? That Cloud Shell, yeah, Cloud Shell is there, no? Yeah, if you click on the Cloud Shell, you can, in the menu you can find the options Cloud Shell. After clicking the Cloud Shell, it will open like this. You have to continue, click on the continue as per the instructions. You have to click on the authorization as per the instructions, and copy this text. Copy this text. See, just click on that, not here, just click on the blocks, top right, yeah, just click there, copy it, and simply go to the Cloud Shell. Cloud Shell nothing but command line interface for Google BigQuery. Okay, it will create, see, type string and integer. These are important, string and important, because we are posting. If you want to post this into BigQuery like this, you have to create the feedback. Just copy this again. After pasting that, you have to click on enter. Again you have to copy this, paste it, and again enter. Like this, we prepare the database table where feedback will be stored. Okay, it should be live in Cloud Shell, create employee feedback schema.json, the dataset feedback table, like that, feedback.employee underscore feedback dot, like that. See, like this you created. Okay, if you want to check this, you can check in BigQuery also. I will show you 1 second. Once complete the 5th step. Okay, just check the progress. Not updated. BigQuery, yeah, BigQuery also updated. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. Let's try to complete the task 5. BigQuery I will show you. Before that, create a run function to record feedback. What is this actually? Task 5. Now we create a backend microservice that writes into BigQuery. BigQuery we created, BigQuery feedback we created, but this cloud run function we are creating the cloud. So here cloud run, write a function option is there. Go to Google Cloud Console and type cloud run. In services, go to write a function. Here you have to give the service name, record feedback. This will be writes into BigQuery. Actually this record feedback will be, this function will write into BigQuery. So here the same name, record feedback, and this region is equal to US central one you have to select, and we have to copy the URL link that is important. URL link is important. Just paste somewhere. Here Python 3.1 to select it and copy the URL link and paste some, yeah, here somewhere else, anywhere else you can. just later it will be helpful, useful. Now then just click authentication. Yeah, nothing to do anything, simply just continue, create, that's it. Here you have to change this name of this according to the instructions. Record feedback, the endpoint name we have to replace endpoint URL name. Here just paste it, and later just click on requirements.txt. According to requirement.txt you have to paste this code. This is the Python code, just paste it and go to main.py. Again copy this Python code and paste this here in this. Just click here, right click, control all and paste it, control V, control all, control V, like that, and save and deploy. After the deployment you have to it is showing like this. Later it will update. Later we have to test this, like this it will update. See, all should be green, then only it will consider as a updated one. Okay, let's go to we created, here we have to create configure payload. We have to test it, the cloud it is creating or not. In BigQuery we have to test it whether this cloud run is creating extra feedback in the BigQuery or not. Like how to test, like simply test, click on the test. Here one toggle simulator, no not toggle simulator, like this configure payload, open and paste it here. Just click on that shell command option below, on that it will open like this. Here it will automatically enter, so just simply you have to click enter only, no need to paste anything, simply enter, that's it. See, enter one more time, enter, it will show it was created, like that option. See, yeah, one enter, we have to enter 2 times, like this it will show run created. See, the option is getting no, means you can check this in BigQuery. How to check in BigQuery? Simply you have to check, create a cloud shell command, cloud shell terminal. You can just cancel this, simply cloud shell command. Yeah, you can just duplicate one more tab, open one more tab, duplicate the tab, no worries, and here just click on, just check for BigQuery. Yeah, open the BigQuery there. Yeah, this one. Yeah, don't do anything, just simply done. Just click on that labs, is there no labs link? Yeah, here this labs link, click on the labs link, the play button option. Yeah, feedback option, that one that was created by us only, simply employee feedback, just click on that, and preview option, is there no highlighted one, preview option, feedback, preview option. Yeah, click on that. See, one row will be added whenever any customer send any feedback, automatically added here. Okay, like this the new row in BigQuery preview option, it will be available, right, like this. Let's go to instructions, just check progress, like this. Okay, completed, 50 marks completed. Now let's see next task. Okay. Yeah, let's check create conversation agent what it is for. Okay, one second. Yes, I already told no. This task 6, what it is for. This task, the tool teaches the conversational agent. There is an API to record feedback. Here is its schema like IAM permission, Cloud Run Invoker. Let's Dialogflow call the Cloud Run service securely. Okay, this is in this we are creating a conversational agent tool to call the Cloud Run function. Okay, what we created already. I will let our conversation agent call that API. Okay, let's see. Again, now go to AI applications. Here, AI applications. Sorry, here AI applications. Click on that AI applications. Yeah, you already created one application. No worries. Again, as per the instructions, we have to create one more application. Conversational agent enable. Create a conversational app. Just create. Here, conversational app we have to create. Just create only one app is there. Conversational app. Here we have to create employee feedback bot. Just enable Dialogflow, conversation agent. Yeah, click on the labs. Here we have to create an agent. Build your own. Click on build your own. We are creating by our own. Let's go to here. Okay, build your own. As per the instructions, I am going on create agent page. Select display name employee feedback bot. We have to create. This is a bot. This is an employee feedback bot. We are creating automate bot. And what are the location? Global location. You have to check global location. Click on the global location, and that's it. That's it. Nothing to check anything else. Simply click on create. Okay, the bot will be created. It's taking time. There is an internal loading the project. Do you want to go back to the project list? Second. Of time is there, but why it is? Here, select the project. Mm, Create it again. Paste it. Global. Let's create. Already exists in the project. Then cancel. Yeah, already existed. Okay. This bot is very important. Let's click on this bot. Okay. Okay. Now, one second. Go back to the bot. Not bot. Go back to the apps. You have to applications. Just click on apps whether it was created or not. Why it is not showing? Not additional link. Okay. Global location option playbook and create. Enable cloud logging and history conversation history to activate login and store conversation. Okay. Let's cloud logging. For the playbook, yeah, enable cloud logging, enable cloud history, and also enable user feedback. Let's see. After logging, store conversion records, and don't forget to save the settings. Before working with Playbook, create a tool named. We have to create one more tool also. Tool name record employee. Just go to tools. Okay, you have to create after enable cloud logging, enable conversation history. Just save it. Go to tools. Here you have to create a tool. The tool is this one. Name the tool and the description. Give the description. This one. Open a connector on the description and YAML is there. Okay, same YAML. Just copy this and paste here. Here you have to make few changes. One is this on cloud URL. We already copied no this URL cloud URL. Cloud URL you can paste simply here, or else where you can get this cloud URL. Sorry, copy entire. Where can you get? Yeah, in services cloud run we created no. Here this is the URL. East one run app. East one run app is the URL. See east one run app. Now here the request, this thing you have to change it. Request type, it is a posting. We are posting post small letters, and here type the schema properties. You have to update the schema properties. The schema properties you have to update. One second, I will task 6 steps I created. And that's schema properties. uh, these things you have to copy. Schema properties, just remove this and paste it. That's it. These things you have to paste like that. Schema properties. That's it. And now no need to do anything. Just simply save it. That's it. According to the schema properties only I saved. Okay, these like instructions are there. Store feedback and store number. And now what you have to do, just save no. Now again go to allow tool to invoke the cloud run function. Switch your browser to the displaying cloud console. Okay, cloud console again. Again you have to go to cloud console. Simply you can go to any cloud console or duplicate this tab, no problem. Here let's cancel this actually. Cloud console link also there. Here this is the link. You can simply click on the link. Here you can set simply IAM. Yeah, console, cloud console. Here check IAM. Here as per the instructions include Google provided role grants, and here you have to check Dialogflow service agent. This one, just here you have to click here, and here you have to add a role. Dialogflow, add another role. In this another role you have to paste sorry, just type this one. Which one? Cloud Invoker, actually Cloud Invoker you have to paste. 1 second. Cloud Run Invoker, just search for Cloud Run Invoker. Yeah, this one only you have to select. That's it. Simply save this updated policy. That's it. Okay, you saved now. Just click on progress. Please grant Cloud Run Invoker to Dialogflow Service Agent. I think it might take time. Cloud Run Invoker to Dialogflow Service Agent. Just refresh it. 1 second. Google Cloud. Yeah, already involved. Why it is not upgrading? Okay, granted success. It was updated. See, it will take time, but updated. Like this, you can create now. In the 7th step, like the goal is receive and record feedback about our stores identified by store number. Okay, here let's see in the browser tab, the Conversational Agent console, return to the default generative playbook and go to your conversation generative playbook. Here playbooks are there now. Simply go to playbooks. Here what it is telling, simply click on default generative playbook is there now. Here you have to modify the things accordingly. Simply playbook name, receive employee feedback, and goal you have to add this goal. Instructions, sorry 1 second. Yeah, receive. Okay, receive. And instructions also you can give something, anything instructions you can give. Okay, I am giving these instructions, you also you can also follow. Okay, instructions, any instructions you can write. Simply a goal you don't know, just that's it. Anything you can write, and simply that's it. Here you have to enable this record employee feedback. If you did not enable, no, it as per the instructions only I'm doing. See, you have to enable that one. Use the tool and that user feedback that has been recorded, you have to enable that one. Change the playbook name, goal, enter, and save the conversation. Now you enable. No, let's simply click on this and save that one. Okay, now here what it is asking, simply asking to test this simulator. Actually, if you did not get the simulator now, simply toggle simulator like this. You can toggle the simulator like this, enter. See, like this, it will give feedback. See, this type of entry will be, you will see same thing it will asking. See here, like this, same reply you have to got. And just go to BigQuery. Here in Google BigQuery, let's see one more row. Previously what happened for employee feedback, in preview only one row is there. No, if another row will be added here also. See, second row, everything in the bakery are very nice, like that. Row added, feedback added, like this. So it was successful. Now updated, that one also updated. Let's see, completed. Okay, conversation playbook also completed. 70 marks. Finally 70 marks you got. One more task is there to complete, 80%. Now let's see, integrate your conversational agent with Gemini Enterprise. Now we are going to integrate with conversation agent and application. Okay, now return to enterprise and select your Gemini Enterprise. What is our enterprise? Let's go to AI Qwiklabs, go to store. Yeah, this is our app, right? Click on this. Yeah, how to integrate? Simply go to Now follow the instructions. Edit Gemini Enterprise by adding an agent by custom agent via Dialogflow. How to integrate? Uh, Second. Yeah, here in agents, just click on agents. Here, add agent. Here, custom agent via Dialogflow. It all know like that. In the Dialogflow, what you have to give simply according to that. Conversational agent, full resource name, name your employee agent and enter it in a Dialogflow source. Agent name is this one, employee bot, because the bot already created. This agent name, bot name same you are giving. Now here feedback. This is the feedback here. So bot we created now, but same bot name you have to give for agent also. Now here the bot link you have to give. Where the bot link? Console full source name. Yeah, the bot link you have to give. Where is the bot? Our bot is 1 second. Where is our bot? 1 second. Where the bot is? Let's see where you created the bot. In task 6, right? You created the bot. Bot, yeah. Task is create agent. Conversation agent only. Nothing. Then click on agent assistant. Sorry, not this one. Conversation agents only. In conversation, click on conversation agents. Yeah. This is the employee feedback. Conversation agents. Just here full name. Just copy the full name and go to Gemini Enterprise. Here you have to give the source full name. The full name completely you have to select. And now create it. That's it. Will be integrated. Our bot will be integrated with Cymbal team Gemini Enterprise. Now let's see. According to that, we integrated, right? Global feedback name and for 1 second. After integrated, yeah, integrated, created. Check the progress. Yeah, succeeded. Successfully we completed the task. Okay, our lab was completed because 80% is enough. What? Why it is not updating? Yeah, updated. Okay, 80 marks you got, so you already literally completed. You are done with the lab. Now let's complete the formalities. Just testing. We completed. No, we developed the app and we integrated with conversation agent. Okay, the agent will do the work for you. It will chat, it will send feedback, it will send mails for you. Okay, now how to do this? To access your app and navigate to your view, just click on the app URL. Now how to activate? Simply nothing to do, just apps, go to apps, you can click on this app, you will find this link also, no worries, you can click on this link also, it will come like this. Okay, the enterprise app, the app we build, this is the app we build. Okay, enterprise app. Simply get started. It will ask enable this. Okay, continue. This one, continue. Yeah, app connected. Here First of all, what you are going to do, what here you can see data, you manage your data. What are the data stores we created previously? Google Search, Drive, Mail we created. No, now what it is asking, to test the assistant ability to create a Gmail account. It is asking to create, to use your Gmail action, use the primary search. Here we are asking to create, send an email to a manager at the @ Qwiklabs with high level insights from Cymbal Shops sales analyst report, offer to discuss it further. Okay, we are asking now. Here simply what you can do now, you can disable these connections. Just paste it what you copied, paste it. No, simply you can disable this accept mail. Okay, just send it. Let's see, analyzing, locating. Okay, I think it is that we need to give the drive access also. That's why we don't have drive access. No, so that's why again just paste it and ask to generate. Okay, it is not creating sending mail. Why are we using any auto integrations? Let's try to open with the integration link. Just copy this link in integrations. Let's try to open this. Still it is failing, but close this. Why it is failing? Go to actions, whether it is enabled or not. Email actions, it's enabled only. Then why? Database is also connected, but click on web configuration. Yep, right. Here I have dropped an email for your manager. Okay, okay, configure. In configure we can test like this, I think. Okay, first of all let's try there also. Configure, it is working. Let's check this. Check here. Let's see. Yeah, it worked, it completed, so it's drafted an email. I think first of all we have to configure. In instructions it not mentioned, we have to configure there, right? Here we have to configure the web, then only it is working. Okay, so let's You can help me send this mail to my manager. Yes. Simply you can drafted the mail. Before mail, you can check like this. What is the mail and all? It will drop the mail. Test agent capabilities testing. Any updates? Still not updated anything. I think it will show. Yeah, see, like this it will mail. It will like this. It will draft a mail. It's draft a mail, but send the option not coming. Why? Okay, actions not enabled. That's why the main issue is actions not enabled. Okay, after configuration here, actions enable actions is there. No, it should be enabled. Now let's again paste it. It's taking time, but it is working. Yeah, see, it drops a mail like this. You can simply make the changes according to it. Automatically it will drop a mail. Okay, simply you can click this. It will send a mail. Instead of you, it will send a mail. That's it. Simple. Now let's set the option. When the action developers click authorize. Okay, I authorized. Now Qwiklabs on the application is authorized and the mail. Okay, to test assistant ability to use ground with Google, verify that Google search option is enabled on the primary search bar. Click on that Google search. Yeah, I have sent your manager in this. Okay, next see Google search. Google search is there. Just disable this Google search. Check this whether the products were currently selling out. Okay, this is also giving insights and all. Okay, no worries. Any updates in our marks? We send mail now at least 5 marks. When 5 marks also not updated, I think it will take time. Okay, next step is go to enterprise and go to agents. What is telling? Now go to agents and click employee bot. Okay, click employee bot. In the employee bot, review testability. I think so many options are not available here. Preview also. Preview add user. Email number. No. Options. So many options changed in there, people. Google updated. Google skills. The lab was updated, but options not updated. I think. I think here you can check. I think let's see. Paste the message. Yeah, we got reply. Thank you for your feedback. Like that, is this correct one? Click on employee feedback. Option menu. One second to show you. Okay. Thank you for the feedback. Could you please provide the store number for the symbol? 529. Yeah. Okay. Now see it created. Let's check BigQuery. Refresh it. Yeah. See, third one also created. Like this, you can check. 4 seconds only. That's it. Yeah. In this way, you can complete this. Okay. Just close the lab. That's it, friends. We successfully completed the lab. Okay. Accept that email action name. In this way, you can test. Okay. Review this one more time. I'm closing this lab. Okay. And the lab. Just submit the comments, something nice like that. Okay. Simply you can utilize this type of Google skills to practice the labs and all. Okay. um, in this lab, what we build now, the Gemini Enterprise AI applications related, we get the knowledge, and conversational agents like Go and Google Workspace, Drive, Gmail and all, BigQuery, Cloud Run, authorization related. Okay. The here we built a Google Gemini Enterprise app grounded on Google Drive and Gmail using data stores and Google identity, right? And also we configured OAuth and Gmail actions so the assistant can draft and send emails on behalf of users securely. Implemented a Python Cloud Run service to write structured feedback into BigQuery, exposed as an OpenAI tool. Designed a conversational agent playbook that collects, store feedback, calls the tool, and confirms persistence to the user. Okay. Integrated the agent to Gemini Enterprise for seamless handoff between the main assistant and a domain specific bot. Okay. For freshers, they can simply tell an entry like, say this shows ability to work with some modern enterprise AI platforms, APIs and IAM, not just it is not just a prompting. Okay. For experienced people, they can simply highlight the patterns like actionable assistance, function calling, data pipelines to BigQuery, and the secure auth integration that can be reused in internal automation projects. Okay. So viewers, just you can clone the same flow for other use cases like travel approvals, IT tickets and HR requests. Okay. Simply by changing the Cloud Run function and OpenAI schema. Okay. Thank you, viewers. Let's meet in next session. Okay. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos, more applications like this. Thank you so much. Bye.